We're good with it. Today is another day. Right now, I'm about to work on. This is not an order. This is just gonna be a like for the website. My website on Black Friday. I'm dropping a bunch of shoes. A lot of shoes that's already ready made and just ready to ship out as soon as you order them. So, and those shoes will be 20% off. This gonna be the cheapest my prices have been. So, yeah, if y'all want shoes done by me, one of a kind, one of ones, get on my website on Black Friday. I'm gonna have this sale going up until New Year's. So my website, everything on my website will be on sale up until New Year's. The clothes, I believe we got them 30% off. And like the made to order shoes, those I believe will be 15% off. But all the shoes, like, okay, I can show y'all. Like this pair right here. This pair is gonna be 20% off. This is the other shoe. 20% off. This is a pair, something like these. The shoes that are ready, that are made to order. These 15% off. And then I'm about to work on some ice cream things on this shoe right here. Those will be 20% off. So if you ever wanted a shoe designed by me, customized by me, you definitely don't want to miss out, because this doesn't happen often at all. Actually, this will be the first time I ever had a Black Friday sale on my website. So y'all definitely check your boy out, man. It's gonna be a crazy sale, man. I'm gonna have stupid shoes on there. I'm aiming for 50, but I don't know if I'm gonna get there. But I'm gonna have a lot of shoes, different sizes, all that kind of stuff. So y'all definitely check the website out. Black Friday, I'm dropping everything, all the clothes, shoes, everything will be on sale. So let me get to this painting. Alright, man, right now I'm still working on this donut pair. I'm about to lay down the brown, you know what I'm saying, to make it the donut. The top part will be the icing. You know how that go. About to get this, shoot, I gotta get this pair out and done. Just put the finisher on, about to lace these guys up. And then on top of that, about to knock these out, doing a gradient splatter theme on these. So y'all see what they work like, man. We got boxes on boxes, bricks on bricks. Feel like I'm Gucci, man. You feel me? But man, I'm gonna keep on showing y'all how we get down, how we get this work done. So stay tuned. What's happening, y'all? Back at it, man. Checking in. All that good stuff. We got the shoes dang near complete. Y'all check it out. You know. Now it's just time to untape them, lace them up, figure out what laces we want to choose. And man, get them listed for y'all to buy on Black Friday. You know, yeah. Hopefully they'll be sold before then. But let's go on and see what they look like without the tape on them. Okay, y'all, I got them untaped and everything. I did a few little touch-ups and everything, and I went on and hit the bottom, the come on focus air part up with kind of like the same colors as the sprinkles. So right now, I'm trying to figure out which laces I'm gonna put on them. Y'all leave y'all suggestions in the comments. What kind of what color laces would y'all go with? If you know me, y'all probably have a good idea of what kind of laces I'm gonna go with. But you know, I might shock you this time. I might pick something different, you know. just stay tuned for it. And yeah. Okay, by now y'all should have figured out which shoestrings I was gonna go with. The pink guys UV. I had to go and throw the pink on there just to tie it all. Come on, camera, focus, man. Just to bring it all together. I feel like it just went perfect. I didn't want to throw no laces that were just hold on. I didn't want to throw on laces that were too like dark, too much of a dark pink. I really wanted to keep it kind of light, and because I feel like if I would throw dark pink laces on there, they probably would have been okay, but it really wouldn't have like popped and really went in with the design like this. So I went with the real light laces just to give it that extra pop, but not overpower the design. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be very strategic with your laces and everything, man. So y'all can see I went. Hold on, focus, camera. Come on, camera, you can do it. There we go. Went on through that color on the air. They're good stuff, man. So I'm pretty happy with how these turned out. Now it's on to the next pair. But if y'all want this pair, it is a size 10 in men. If you're a woman, 11 and a half. So 10 in men, if y'all want these, they will be available on my website probably tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna be available, but I can't promise that they're gonna be on there, because I'm gonna be honest, my shoes sell fast, y'all, when I do my freelance work. So if you want them, you might want to hop on them. Alright, y'all, so it's on to the next thing, the next task. Right now what I have to do is I gotta decrease these, because I got these for a really good price because they were defective. So that's really the defect on them, is that the little creasing or whatever. So they are brand new, you know what I'm saying, but they just had the little crease in there. So I gotta get the creases out of these and get them all prepped up and everything. I'm probably gonna paint these tomorrow. Let me show you the other shoe. This is another, I don't know what happened, somebody sat on it, I don't know. But what I do know is I got them for a good price, so that means I will be able to sell them for a better price, you know, yeah. And we just got an order for this pair right here. Focus up, camera. I might pop a picture, I don't know. Yeah, that look good. We just got an order for this pair right here, so I gotta go on ahead and get those ready. It's a size 10. I just moved the other size 8 that was available. So that's what I'm telling y'all. If y'all want some of my like freelance work, you might want to hop on it as soon as I post it or whatever. Or, you know, just stay notified with my website. And I actually have an email list, so you can sign up for the email list and everything, and it will let you know when I post stuff and all that kinds of good stuff. So let's get going on that. Okay, y'all, I got them all decreased. If y'all want to see how I do it, I actually have a video on how I decrease shoes to make them look back to the original form. So I actually got to go back in on this part right here. But what's up? Your mama in there, ain't? You asking me for? What's up, my boy? Let them know something.
Is that your camera?
My boy! Wow. Yes, it is. But yeah, I'm on. I gotta go back in on this little part. But yeah, man, if y'all wanna see that video, I will link it in my in the description, so y'all can check that one out. Okay, I got it.